Research and Production Centre, ANOD, has been creating mechanical seals, pump units, slip bearings and valves for 25 years. All products undergo strict control in accordance with accepted quality standards. The demand for quality products forces us to experiment, introducing the most daring and audacious decisions into our production. By investing in development, we are paving the way for the future, expanding the horizons of the usual. The psychology of the winner is based on the necessity of everyday improvements. For us, it is fundamental. Today, we create conditions for the effective work of our customers. There are 12 regional service centres of R&PC, ANOD, on the territory of Russia and in the CIS countries. ANOD products are operating in 16 countries. We have obtained 65 patents and certificates for utility model and inventions. The world does not stand still. It has been constantly changing and improving, but our main motto, expressed in the 4 words, ANOD, movement towards perfection, remains the constant.